Hi everyone, welcome to Sense with Singh. Today we are going to do a list of date fragrances, 5 date fragrances for women. Let's start with this one. Alright, so the first on the list here is a perfume that I was curious about and I didn't find the need to pick up a bottle. But when I tested it, I liked it. So I picked up a decant of it, and this is Billie Eilish #1. This is what the bottle looks like. I'm not a huge fan of the bottle design, but who cares? So let's spray this. Now, Billie Eilish #1 has received a lot of love among its users, and understandably so. This has a lot of vanilla, this has a lot of sugary sweetness to it. There's some fruity tones, some cacao in there as well to give this a caramelly, creamy texture. So Billie Eilish #1 was #1 on the list. The next on my list is another one that was love at first sniff. This is called Flamenco, a beautiful fruity perfume. Gorgeous bottle. This is the 100 ml bottle. So let me spray this. Oh, magnetic cap. This is just love it. Look at that. Let me get that into focus and nice. I like this stuff. So Flamenco is an absolute beast, and that's not an understatement. This is a raspberry, rose, apple, and some white floral bomb with an ambery base. Sometimes it can come across slight chemically, but still, just let it settle in, and this one will keep projecting for at least 4 or 5 hours. It will last on your skin for 10 hours, and this one, just as the dance is kind of sexy, so is this scent. Beautiful scent, Flamenco by Ramon Monaco. And so the next on my list here is the one which was love at first sniff. The label of it was a little glossy, so I got a few scratches on it. So this one is called Pashmina by Niche. Niche has come out with a beautiful range of perfumes, and Pashmina happens to be one of my favorites from them. Let me spray this. So Pashmina has a soft spiciness in the start. There is a lot of rose, and I think there's some other floral note in there in the mid as well. Soft green tones, but a beautiful boozy character to it. Very elegant, very classy scent. Again, an ambery kind of a base, but again, a very good performer. The projection and lasting on this is very good. Also, this is a very good compliment magnet. This gets you a lot of compliments. So Anish did a great job with this one. So a soft, spicy, slightly boozy, floral sweet scent. Pashmina by Niche. Do check it out. So the next on my list is a scent that was love at first sniff again, but this was my first expression as I sprayed this perfume for the first time was, oh wow, this is sexy. So this is called Café Tuberosa by Atelier Cologne. My friend Bank of Scents, she sent me a sample of it, and I was hooked, and I went for a bottle. This is definitely worth it. Let me spray this. So Café Tuberosa is exactly as it sounds. Both coffee and tuberose fight for dominance in this one, and they're very well balanced. Tuberose scents can be loud. Tuberose scents can be, a bit heady and intimidating to the nose. But this one is very well balanced. I love how the sharpness of the tuberose is being soothed by coffee. It's a good use of it in terms of being a coffee scent. And this also has a lot of cacao in the base, some floral tones, other floral tones, but basically it's the coffee, tuberose, and cacao kind of a combination. Has a soft resinous tone to it as well, so brilliant perfume. Definitely, it has a coziness to it. So if you're, trying to be close to your, going to be close to your partner for a cozy evening, I highly recommend this scent. Right, saving the best for the last. And I cannot talk about this scent enough. This makes my lists almost every time. I'm not a big fan of rose fragrances, but the people who follow me know that this is my #1 rose scent of all time. So I'm talking about Radical Rose by Matière Première. I'm running out of it. I do have a backup bottle. So Radical Rose is beautiful. This is just absolutely divine. Beast, sexy beast. So this is composed around Rose Centifolia, and which was grown by Matière Première themselves. So makes it a very unique, especially unique scent. I think there is some patchouli in there, there's labdanum, and there is a beautiful sweetness and density coming from saffron. Amazing scent, very sexy, and it's a room filler. You spray it, you do about 5 to 6 sprays of it, enter a room of a decent size, not too big of course, but yes, it will, the projection will be noticed, you know, at a good length from you. So Radical Rose is my ultimate recommendation for a lady to be wearing to a date. Right, so a quick recap. So we talked about Billie Eilish #1, we talked about Flamenco, Pashmina by Niche, Cafe Tuberosa, and Radical Rose. So 5 recommendations for ladies to wear on a date. I have not done a woman's list so far, so this was a good way to start, I feel. I hope you enjoy these scents. I hope you get to try them as well. So if there's a scent you cannot find, let me know. I'll connect you to the right people for it. If there's a scent you want me to talk about, let me know in the comments. And I appreciate the few people who come to Instagram with their queries and their questions and all that. So I really like it. More videos coming soon. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this.